Hello, this is wmpyr. For today's lesson, we're going to be using the stick as if it were another weapon. And the reason why we do that is because it expands our knowledge, our skill, and our technique. Right? So the first thing is we use the stick as if it were a nunchaku. Right? So just, pretty much basic stuff like this. Alright, so using the stick like a nunchaku. This is pretty much basics that I've already covered, but let me go through it again to illustrate a point. But strike and pass like so. Strike and pass. Strike, pass. Strike, pass. 1, 2. 1 and 2. What I'm doing here is I'm striking and I'm using that to, like a momentum, to come up. And when I come up, I go over on the same side that I'm holding the stick, and I pass the stick to the hand that's underneath. Okay, so strike, park up, go over, and pass underneath. So strike, over, and pass under. So strike, over, pass under. Okay, so the next one, also pretty basic, is we're going to be going like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. So what I'm doing right here is I'm coming down with a diagonal slash, and then I go underneath here. This time is the opposite of what we did, which was we went from over and passed under. So what we're going to do here is come under and pass over, pass to the top here. So we come down with a slash right here, and then this goes to the opposite side because it's a diagonal slash, and then we pass to the top right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay, so for today's main focus is actually this guy right here. This is the balisong. It's also called the butterfly knife, and we're going to be applying the techniques of this to the stick. All right, it's all really awesome because the balisong and the nunchuck and the stick, all three of them basically connect. And when our focus is to do the balisong techniques to the stick. And the only main difference between that and the nunchucks, with the nunchucks what we did was like, this was the first one that we did. So we came over and we passed underneath, right? So it was basically just like this, right? The only real difference here is now, because it is a balisong, it's a knife, it's going to be a lot more compact. So we're going to still do the same thing, but instead of going all the way over here, we're just going to pass right here, okay? It's the same thing. I'm going over, but instead of going all the way over here, I'm just going to keep it here. See? So instead of coming here and pass here, I'm going to pass here. This is the same thing. I'm just doing it right here instead of all the way over here. So, boom, like this and like this. What we did earlier was we went over, passed underneath, did a strike, and came this way, right? So we could do the same thing. We can strike, and then we just go over right here, and boom, strike, boom, strike, boom, strike, boom, strike, boom. Just like that. So throw the strike, use the momentum to come up, and then pass underneath to the hand that's underneath. Strike, just like that. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so the next one that we did with the nunchaku was we came in with this slash and pass up here. Slash and pass up here so that we could come from the top again, boom, and we can come down with power. So we're slashing down and then pass, slash down, pass, boom, boom. So we're going to do the exact same thing with the balisong, except once again it's a lot more compact. So you're going to be doing it right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So instead of going all the way over here, and now this stuff is behind me, I'm just doing it right here. So this is still in the front, and at any point I could come this way, boom, boom, and then go back to this technique right here. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. I'm just going, same thing, it's just more compact, and it's in front of you rather than behind. All right, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and take care, folks.